This morning we're making a lemon meringue pie in Rosina's Italian kitchen. So the first thing I'm going to do is in this saucepan, I put in a cup of sugar and I think a cornstarch and salt. And I'm going to whisk it to get it good and mixed. And then I'm going to add the water, the lemon juice. I always like to put lemon juice in to make it more of a tarty pie. So I'm going to now put in the water. And it says stir, so I'll put my spoon. I'll put in my water. And stir it. Got that done. Then I'll put my lemon juice because I like a nice tarty lemon pie. I like for it to taste like lemon. Make sure you get all that lemon juice. Fresh, I squeeze my fresh lemons, not just canned lemons. And then I also like some lemon zest in it. So here's my lemon zest that I'm going to put in. Right there. Then I'm going to take it to the stove and I have to thicken it. And then I add my egg yolks and butter. And that will be done at that point. Now I'm cooking the mixture of the sugar and water and lemon juice and lemon zest over a medium-high heat until it comes to a boil. And then we'll continue. It looks like the mixture of the sugar, water, and lemon juice and the zested lemon has come to a boil. So now I'm just going to whisk the 4 egg yolks. And it says to put a half a cup of this mixture in the egg yolk and continue whisking. And then I'll put the rest of it in. There. That's about a half a cup, I'm sure. I'm going to whisk it with the egg yolk. Like that. And then I'll pour the rest in here. And it won't take very long and it'll be ready. Now the lemon filling is ready. And I'm putting it in my lemon pie crust. My crust, baked crust. And then we'll work on the meringue because I'm making a lemon meringue pie. But I like a nice tarty pie. It's good and tart. There. And that's it. And now I'm making the meringue. I got my egg whites in here and some sugar, a little cornstarch mixture. That isn't the full recipe, and I'm going to whip it and put it on the pie. So stay tuned. Now we're going to spread the meringue on the lemon filling and then bake it. Now meringue sometimes shrinks, but I tried something so it won't shrink this time, hopefully. And then we'll see the end results when we take it out of the oven. Now I have my meringue on my filling and it's ready to go in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. Stay tuned, you'll see the results. For 10 minutes. And now we're ready to serve the lemon meringue pie with the fresh lemon juice and the meringue. Enjoy.